In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook ads, payment failed, or card declined issues. Now imagine you're all set to boost your business with Facebook ads, but you encounter a frustrating payment issue. No worries, let's tackle this together. First, let's head over to your trusty web browser and search for Facebook Ads Manager. This is your control center for everything related to your Facebook advertising campaigns. Once you're there, locate and click on Go to Ads Manager. This click will redirect you to the Ads Manager dashboard, where you need to log in if you aren't already. For that, you simply enter your email and password as prompted, and then click on the Login button. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your campaign's dashboard. With your dashboard ready, let's move on to resolving the payment issue. Over to the left-hand side, you'll see the Billing and Payments section. Click on that to get into the nitty-gritty of your payment settings. You're going to need to check your payment settings to ensure everything is in order. Next, click on Payment Settings, which will lead you to a detailed view of your payment methods. Here is where it's crucial to double check your card details. Take a moment to make sure that the card number, expiration date, and CVV are entered correctly. It's easy to mistype a number, so scrutinize it closely. Also, confirm that your billing address is accurate. If everything looks good there, but you're still facing issues, it might be time to contact your bank. Sometimes banks flag online transactions as a security measure, so a quick call can resolve any holds or flags they might have in place. If you still don't find a solution, consider trying a different payment method. Facebook allows you to link multiple payment options, so adding a new card or using another payment method could swiftly get your ads running again. Update your payment information based on your preference, whether it's a new card, PayPal, or another available option. These steps should guide you through fixing most common payment issues on Facebook Ads Manager. It's about making sure your inputted data is correct, resolving any potential bank issues, and considering alternative payment methods. Remember, keeping your billing information updated and verifying it regularly can save you from running into these hiccups. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your ad campaigns.